The virtual camera allows you to make the preview, program, or any individual scenes available to you as a webcam source that you could use in any other video conferencing platform. So for example, you might want to send the program feed from Create back to a Zoom call, as I will be doing here. And in order to do that, you can use the virtual camera. So in order to configure the virtual camera, all you need to do is open up the settings window by clicking on the cog icon down in the bottom left-hand corner here. Click on the Advanced tab and then scroll a little way down to Return Output Configuration. Now you'll see here that you can set any of these 4 outputs here to be a virtual camera, so you could have up to 4 if you needed 4 at any one time. I already have a couple set to virtual camera here, so I'm just going to select virtual camera 3 and I'm going to set the video for this one in this drop down menu. I don't have to have any video if I only want to send audio, or as I said, you can select program, preview, or any of these scenes here. I've got all of my scenes available if I wished. I'm going to set this to be the program feed. That's what I'd like to send back to my Zoom call here. For the audio, this could be no audio if I didn't want to send any audio. It could also be the program feed or any AUXs that I may have set up as well here. So I'm going to set this to be the program as well, because that makes the most sense for this example. You'll also need to make a note of the virtual cable that's in use, so that will be found under the audio input section here. So for virtual camera 3, it will be cable C. So I need to select that when I go back to my Zoom call. Now all I need to do is start this output off, and then I'll be able to pick it up in Zoom. So once that's running, I'm going to pop back over to my Zoom call. Here it is. So at the minute it's set to my webcam and my mic that I would be using as standard, but I want to change these. So I'm going to come down to the bottom left and I'm going to change my video device to be Create VCam 3. That's what I've got set up as my virtual camera. And you see straight away, I've now brought in the program feed from Create. Now I also need to do the audio as well, as I said. So I'm going to open up this and I want to set the microphone to be virtual cable C. So here we go, there's virtual cable C. And now the audio is coming through from Create as well as the video. So that's a quick example of how to use the virtual camera to send your program feed back to a Zoom call. Thank you for watching. You can access other instruction videos on our YouTube channel or by navigating to support.quicklink.tv.